So welcome again to my another video on SQL. So in this video we'll see order by ascending and descending order. Okay, order by means we are going to sort the records, okay, both in ascending and descending order. And we'll see distinct keyword, okay, and then we'll look into LIS, okay, what are LIS, and we'll go through some interview questions on these topics. And well, this is not going to be a video dedicated for interview. For that I will make another video on SQL, that is meant only for SQL only, and I will show you some questions that I have asked in interviews, and these are mostly asked in for backend roles or for SQL developer roles. Okay, so you know, like more than 25% of the interview questions are on SQL for most of the backend roles. Okay, and like in financial sectors, SQL plays almost 50% for backend role. Okay, the interview questions comes more than 50%. Even I ask, and it has been asked to me as well. Okay, and for production support role as well, SQL plays a crucial role, especially in banking sectors. Okay, so let's do some hands-on with this things. Okay, order by distinct and alias. Okay, so let's begin. So you have seen that I have created one table called employees and inserted record in it. Okay, if you haven't seen, please go and check my last video. I have shown all those things. Okay, I've also shown multi-line insert as well. Okay, so now we are going to see order by, okay, and distinct, and alias as well. Okay, as I told you. Okay, so this is the table. It has 35 records. Okay, we have seen. Okay, so what I want to do, suppose I want to get the result of this employee so that I can get the hiring date in ascending order. So whoever have got higher first will come at the top, and it will go sequentially. Okay, second on the second row. Okay, so what I will do, I'll put here order by hire date underscore of date. Okay, so if I run it, so this is the first person got hired, then this, and in sequential order. If you can see, it has been sorted in ascending order. Okay, now if I want in descending order, so what I will do, I will just put this keyword right here and run it. Now see, the latest person who has got hired came at the top. Okay, now one more thing I would like to show you. Suppose I want to sort based on hire date and salary. It means, suppose in this way. Sorry. So if you see here, it has got sorted in ascending order. But if you see here, if you come on this particular date range from here to here, now if you see here, the salary here, it has got sorted in ascending order, particularly for this hire date. Sorry, it is still here, not till that, it is still here. Okay, so these are sorted in ascending order. However, based on this particular date, these are sorted ascending order. So the sorting order depends on the hire date, not on the entire record for this salary column. Okay, and if you also see for this date till this date, see, it is in ascending order. The salary above is higher than this, however it is above 48,000. Okay, so this is one of the type of sorting, that is, this salary will be dependent on the hire date. Now if I put like here in DSC and run it. All right. Such things you will not get easily anywhere, what I am showing. Okay. Now here if you see, these are sorted in descending order, here to here. However, these are in ascending. If this one is greater than this date, okay, 12th of August 2022 is greater than 1st of June 2022. However, it is on top of it. However, this one is in ascending order based on the higher date. Okay, now if I put both of them in descending, okay, now you see what will happen. Now can you see? These are in descending order. That's fine. Come from here till here, this date. You can see these are also in descending order. Now both are in descending order. Okay. One more example is here. See, all these dates are same. However, for this particular thing, so in this case, the entire salary will not get sorted. Okay, based on the entire record, it will get sorted based on the higher date column. So this is one of the example. So for sorting, okay, fine. Now let us move to distinct. Now see, we normally write query select star from table name, but this is not a good practice. You know, we should put like the column name, first name, comma, last name. So to show distinct, I am showing for a single column. Okay, so if you see here, okay, let me sort it by order by first name. Okay, now see there are duplicate records. Okay, what are the number of records written? 35. Okay, for this particular query. So Amelia is duplicate here, Emily is duplicate here, James 2 times, John 2 times, okay, Olivia 2 times. Okay, now if I put distinct right here, distinct first name, then you will see you will not get the duplicate records. Okay, now see everyone. So the row returned to 24. Okay, now let's see the LIS. Okay, what are the LIS? Now let's see. Let me remove this distinct. Now if you see the what is the column name? Okay, if I run it, first underscore name, last underscore name. Okay, like last underscore name, email. Okay, suppose hire date. I'm not. Okay, job title and salary. Okay, now if I run it, we will get the direct column. Suppose I want to the name, I don't want in this way, I want as first name. So see, since there is a space, so I have to put this inverted comma. Okay, now if I run it, see the first name, however the last name is still like column and the column name, however the first name has got changed. Okay, and suppose you don't want to put, if you put in this way, like last underscore name, okay, everything in caps, see, okay, fine. Now suppose I want to make this, I want to add one more, you know, column, like suppose this is the basic salary. I want to add one more column that is called the net salary. So in this case, what I will do? So should I insert here? No. No need to insert here. I will calculate directly here. Okay. So what I will do here? I will do this salary. So suppose what is the is the net salary we get after deduction of income tax and PF and all. So I will just deduct the income taxes. Suppose 20% is the income tax, and I deduct it like here, salary, okay, as net salary. Okay, fine. Now see, you get something interesting right here. Now you got the net salary as well here. However, our table doesn't have this net salary column. So we have put an alias here as net salary for this particular calculation. So these things are called alias. This first name, we put it after the keyword as. Okay, so we calculated this particular value and put an alias right here. Okay, and we got the net salary. Or you can also do in this way if you don't want. So put one inverted comma. Okay, fine. Now you'll get the same thing. Okay, net salary, you got it directly from here. However, this particular table don't have the net salary. So I put basic salary. Actually, it should be not basic. Actually, it should be gross salary. Gross salary. Okay. Okay. So your gross salary is this. After 20% deduction, your net salary is coming to this. Okay. So that's all for today. So I have shown you order by, both in ascending and descending, as well as distinct and alias as well. So I have shown you multi-line, not multi-line, you can say multiple type of sorting, like we have sorted based on hire date and salary. Salary is dependent on hire date, that I have shown you. So I hope you like this video. Well, one more thing I would like to add. Suppose an interviewer may ask you one question: can you calculate the net salary based on this table, where you don't have the net salary field, the net salary column in your main table. So you have to calculate the net salary where the income tax will get deducted from the gross salary. Then you can write this SQL query and show to the interviewer that, see, in this way I can calculate the net salary. Okay, so in the same result you will get it. And such type of questions can also come like this way, multi-step sorting. Okay, it may be ascending and descending, whatever. Okay, so such type of questions may come in interview. So these questions are mostly common. Okay, so even I have asked in few interviews this one. Okay. Okay, so that's all. I hope it will help you. So please like this video and share with your friends. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye.